Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Samantha. Today, we're diving into the recent Apple Pay outage that disrupted digital transactions for users worldwide. On May 16th, 2025, Apple Pay experienced a significant global outage, affecting users across the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, Spain, and other countries. The disruption began around 8 a.m. Pacific time, with users reporting issues completing transactions, accessing digital wallets, and utilizing services like Apple Cash and Apple Card. Reports surged on platforms like Down Detector, peaking at nearly 3,000 complaints in the US, and around 600 in the UK. Users encountered error messages such as account services unavailable when attempting to make payments or transfer funds. Apple acknowledged the issue on its system status page, noting that some users were experiencing problems with Apple Pay, Apple Cash, Apple Card, and wallet services. By approximately 2 p.m. Pacific time, Apple reported that the issues had been resolved. The outage sparked widespread discussion on social media, with users expressing frustration over the inability to complete purchases or access funds. Some highlighted the risks of over-reliance on digital payment systems and the importance of having alternative payment methods available. This incident underscores the vulnerabilities inherent in digital financial infrastructure and the need for robust contingency plans to ensure continuity of services. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned to Samantha for more insights into the latest developments in technology and digital finance.